Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make your own laundry detergent in a powder form. I have not been happy with the stuff I've been using on my kids' laundry lately, and my friend made this for me a long time ago and it was super easy and it worked really well, so I'm just going to go ahead and make my own. Very cheap. You can find all these products on Amazon. The most labor intensive part is grating this up, but yeah, other than that you just measure the ingredients and stir it up and store it. So let's get started. So I have a little food scale just because I'm going to weigh the ounces, but you could just measure it out if you want. I'm going to do 14 ounces of borax, and you can find this on Amazon. I got a big box of it. It's just in a little powder form like that. We're just going to wait till it gets to 14 ounces. You can get a smaller box than this, and it's like $4 something at Walmart, so it's really, really cheap. And this is just a multi-purpose household cleaner, good for stains. This might take a moment. It's kind of clumped together in parts of it. But I ordered this box from Grove Collaborative, which is an online store. But yeah, you can get it from Amazon, anywhere. So I went over slightly, but that's not important. It's fine. It's barely over. I'm at 14.2. So next I'm going to add in this Arm & Hammer laundry booster. This is just washing soda as they call it, and this is really cheap. This 55-ounce box of it was $4 on Amazon. So I'm going to also add 14 ounces of this, so I'm going to wait till it comes to 28 even, or as close as I can get it, then I'll be back to add the soap. Okay, we're at 28.1. That's probably as even as we're going to get it, and I'm just making a small batch because it's been a really long time since I've used this. But yeah, you can definitely double it, triple it. I found a lot of the websites online just make a really large amount, and I don't know how quickly I'll go through this. I'm just kind of doing a trial and error. There's all different types of laundry bars, but this one is often recommended. So it's a laundry bar and stain remover, and this was only 88 cents on Amazon. Like, wow. Super cheap. And my kids, they're very sensitive to smells, Jackson specifically, but he has very sensitive skin, and certain fragrances and stuff really trigger like eczema and different skin conditions. So, but then the stuff I've been using hasn't been good at getting the stains out. So I'm just going to grate this using just a regular grater, and it's pretty soft, so it doesn't like, you don't have to apply too much pressure. I'm like hardly even holding it really. But yeah, this is the most labor intensive part, but it really shouldn't take too long, and it gets it pretty fine. I've seen where some people, when they make it, it's like thicker peels. I'm not sure if that's just the grater they're using, but if you do have a food processor, you can also put it in there and pulse it to make it like really powdery. Just wait until all the dust settles before you open it, because it will get kind of powdery, and you don't want to inhale that. This stuff smells pretty good. And it's been years since I've used the homemade kind. I used to use Honest laundry detergent. I used to order it online, and that was really good with my kids' stuff. But then I was like, oh, I'm gonna try, you know, these other brands, and they're just not cutting it. And like I said, the smell good stuff irritates his skin. His poor little sensitive skin. So we're gonna go this route, but I'm gonna go ahead and cut to the end so you don't have to see me do this for a few more minutes. So I will be back when I'm done. So this is what it looks like when it's all done. It's really, really fine. Probably because I was using more of like a zester than a larger grater. But all you're going to do is just gently mix it. I could probably just put on the lid and shake it a bunch, but I'm just going to do it like this. And once it's well combined, you are all done. And for measurements, if you do a small load of laundry, you use about a tablespoon. But if you're doing a large or heavily soiled load of laundry, then you add 2 to 3 tablespoons. And that's all there is to it. Has a nice smell to it. Just very light soap smell. Nothing that should irritate his skin. And yeah, that's it. I will put the full recipe, links to the products, all that stuff in the description box below. If you have any questions, please leave me a comment. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.